Welcome to Ask Coyote. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online from VIDEOMINE.org, this site. Then please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my content for you to get notification whenever I post a new video so that you can take advantage of it. And also, if you are my subscriber, thank you for showing up here once again. Now let's go. On this site, what we do here is to watch a video on YouTube or share a content to a WhatsApp. And every time you do that, every day, the admin is going to be giving you tasks for you to perform. It can be 1 or 2 tasks per day. So the first can be a video for you to watch and also send to somebody to watch. Immediately you click on the link, it will direct you to YouTube for you to watch the video. You can decide to watch the video, and if you like, immediately you land on the YouTube, your account will be credited. Your dashboard here will be credited. And also, immediately you share a post to somebody on WhatsApp or to your WhatsApp, immediately your dashboard also will be credited. And this is how you go. Immediately you log into your account, your VIDEOMINE, you have a dashboard. Immediately you log in, you'll be given 100 Naira for that day. And also, when somebody watch the video, you'll be given, whenever you watch the video or somebody watch the video, you'll be given 150 Naira. And when you share the video with somebody, you will get 200 Naira. Now, whenever somebody use your link, your referral link to register, or you'll be giving 1,400 immediately. And with this, you can be making close to 2,000 Naira in a day. And with 2,000 Naira, you can do a lot of things. You can recharge your phone, your data. You can do a lot of things. Imagine you have those 2,000 Naira every day in 30 days. It's money for you. You can use it to do that thing. This is not a joke, because I've tested it and I've cashed out from here. And a lot of people have been doing that too. We cash out every Wednesday and Sunday before 10 a.m. But for you to get to this site, you need to register with a referral code. And the referral code is 2,000 Naira, because there are vendors that set this code. And it's a one-time code. Immediately you pay once, you pay as an affiliate. It's one-time code. So I want us to do it together. Let me log in now. Good. This is my dashboard. You can see here I've earned 400 Naira. My VPN is 1,000. I want to take note, 1,950. Now I want to see the tax for today. I go to my dashboard. So what do I want to do? I want to watch video. You can see here. You can see this video, watch the video here. I want to do, I click on watch the video. It will redirect me here. Then I come to the menu here. I click on the menu. Then I come to here, watch video. I will click on it. When I click on it, then I will need to scroll down to check the tax for today. And you can see here, you can see today is 20th of December. You can see today must view all information. So what I need to do now is to click on that. When I click on that, then I'll scroll down to look for that particular content that I click. So you can see it there. Sorry about that. You can see it here. So I will go down to look for the link. Here is the link. So I want to copy it first. Let me copy it. So after, I want to watch the video. I will click on it. It will redirect me to YouTube. I'm waiting for it to show. Good. So I want to skip. Good. So here is the video now. So I can decide to watch the video. I can begin to pause. Now let me check my dashboard. That's so my profile. So can you see it has been increased? Before here I have 1,950. So 150 I've added to my point A. Now I want to share the video to somebody. Let's see, I copied the video the other time. Let me move video to my WhatsApp. Okay, let me send it here. Paste, send. So I've done that. I hope the person will open, but let me check if there's an effect on my account. Let me refresh. Good. No effect. Maybe until when the person check the video. That's that said. Then the second post for today. Let me go there and see here. What I want to do here is I want to perform this task. This sponsor. Let me click on that. Sponsor. Good. Then I need to scroll down to see. So here is the content that I need to post. So what I need to do is here is for me to click on it and send it to a WhatsApp. Once again to WhatsApp. So I'm waiting for the network. So the same person, let me send it. Good. I said that. So let me go and confirm again. So back to my profile. Check. Good. You can see the money has added. That's what I just need to do for today. So whenever I invite somebody, I did it. I invite somebody here, and immediately I invite that person. This is the person I invited. Then this is my total earning now, and this is what I was able to cash out to check if this thing is true. And here is my referral link. So can we see now? Yes. If you want to register, kindly check the link in the description of this video. Then you can get registered. And also, if somebody sent this video to you or somebody directed to watch this video, kindly go back to the person and register with the person's link. And if you watch the video directly, or no one sent you to the video, or you're part of my subscriber before and you find out this, kindly use my link below to register. Please note, this is not a financial advice. It's one of the things that I know that give money online that also give me money. So I decided to share it with you if it's a thing you would like to take advantage of. Thank you for your time. I appreciate it. Bye.